Walk into the world of exceptional hardwood flooring services offered by Lakewood Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We take great delight in delivering top-notch craftsmanship and expertise to transform your space into something just a little more than just extraordinary. No matter if you're searching for traditional or exotic hardwood flooring, our team of highly skilled experts is ready to satisfy your every hardwood flooring need. We are experts on the repair, installation, and refinishing of exotic or traditional hardwood flooring. We restore their original beauty and making sure they can stand the test of time. It's not only just flooring. We also offer expert services on hardwood staircase installation repair, refinishing, and installation to create a smooth flow through the entire house. What makes us different is our unique method of dustless sanding. No trouble or mess and amazing results. We recognize that certain areas might require more attention. We offer top laminate flooring as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring that cater to high moisture and areas with high traffic such as bathrooms or kitchens. You can be assured that even in the busiest areas, the flooring options we offer will exceed your expectations. We believe in providing individualized solutions to all of our customers. Our team of experts will help you navigate each step and ensure that your vision is an actual reality. We are Lakewood Colorado Hardwood Flooring. Our goal is to transform your home into something special. We are confident that we will be the first stop for all the hardwood flooring requirements. Choose Lakewood Colorado Flooring for the best hardwood flooring solutions. Contact us using the link below and let us help bring your ideas to life.